So the first thing I'm going to show you how to make today, super easy and takes maybe about 15 seconds to do. All you need is two things. A salad spinner. This is my one that I've got at home. You can get them from that well-known Swedish home furnishing shop for around 15 dirhams, and I think they're doing free home delivery at the moment, so you don't necessarily even have to leave your house. So yeah, salad spinner is the first one. And the other thing you need is a set of battery-powered fairy lights. These are only white lights, but if you can find coloured lights, it gives you a different kind of visual view. So I'm just going to turn them on, pop them into my salad spinner, like that. I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. When you are in a dark room or you're under a blanket, maybe it's at night time, you can create something really visually appealing by spinning it and watching those lights move around. Very, very simple, very, very easy, doesn't cost very much. You can also bring in a lot of language with this as well. You know, so if you've got control of it, you can say, okay, ready, steady, go, and get your child to say, go. Ask them to tell you when they want it to stop. My one's got a stop button here, and you can go, ready, steady, oh, it stopped. But you could even get them to tell you when it's going faster and faster and faster and stop. Okay, so there's a lot you can get out of something that you've probably already got sitting around at home.